Hey everyone, it's Tori Good here with Bucks County Paranormal. So I've got my Resonance EM. I got this back in 2018, made an unboxing video. Well, here's a big unbox video 2.0. Because I had to send this back to Bill Chappell. Bill Chappell is a really good person. He's awesome. Fixed the battery. Because the battery died on this thing like a year and a half ago. I just never got around and got it fixed. And now I finally got it fixed. Basically all it is, it's basically EM pump. Right there, EM pump. There's white noise mode. EM wave. And EM siren. Now back to EM pump. I just use this all the time when I do like EP work or whatever in my house, and I love this so much. Then the battery died, and I want to try to get fixed, but I just kept putting it off. And half later, I got it fixed. So Bill Chappell basically had to rip it apart, make a new case, put a new battery in it. So I'm really happy that he fixed it. Alright guys, this is this video. Hope you guys enjoyed.